So first of all, I would like to thank all of you for being here. Some of you have taken planes, trains, cars. I don't know whether Scooty was there today, but no. But you made your way to the town of Coimbatore, which has been my home for the last decade, more than a decade. And I am someone who believes that there's a reason behind everything. There's a deeper meaning behind everything. Those of you who know me know that. My hope is that through the conversations that you have, the people that you meet, the activities that you do, that you will find something that you can take back with you back home that will make your life richer.
So we're very proud of you, Rhoda. And you have the heart for others. That's something, even the fact that you all called everybody of your friends.
I'm in love with it. So thanks for being a part of my life. And thanks for being there.
Here's to Rhoda, to exploring, growing, to creating more impact, to doing more wonderful things, and continue being you. You're a beautiful human, and I'm so proud to be your friend.
Moving too fast, moon is lighting up her skin. She's falling, doesn't even know it yet.
So at 34, your story is nowhere near finished. The best chapters are yet to be written. A lot of adventure, biggest dreams, best joy, God's greatest surprise are still waiting for you.
Does it ever drive you crazy?
Rhoda was very sweet, and I think we used to play certain games in your house.
So she made me read to her on the very first meet, and yes, it's been that way. She's a lovely, warm person.
And I'm grateful for this beautiful friend for whose birthday we are all gathered.
All qualities I have seen her, and I now wanted to learn that in my life, remaining life, that I also should follow her.
She loves.
And I've known about Rhoda ever since I've been with Tejashree. So over time, all I have seen is these enormous number of photos where you all have been together, and all the different things that Tejashree has told me about. So I'm here to verify if all of it's true.
She was a very chubby, sweet baby.
Rhoda, I met her, of course, when I went to Kanpur and saw her. She was 4 kilos. 4 kilos, first instance. And so it was a nice piece to have on your lap.
May he meet you in the mornings when the worries start to rise. Grant you quiet courage and a steady, hopeful mind. May he fill your plans with purpose, turn the hard things into gold. Make your story sing his goodness as your precious years unfold. Have a very blessed birthday. May his favor shine on you. Every step and every heartbeat, held and guided, tried and true. May his joy be all around you, more than words could ever say. Jesus keep you, Jesus lead you. Have a very blessed birthday.
Hold me close, let me dead in my eyes, till the day that I die. I just wanna feel alive. with you.
Thank you, Rhoda, for helping me understand how warmth and gentleness actually can get through when there's a female friend around.
Yeah, I mean, we all can agree. Even I'm a big fan of Rhoda.
I feel so proud of her. I have become her fan. Seriously, I love you, Rhoda.
Never leave, baby. Hold me close. Don't be dead in my eyes, yeah.
I am happy that all of you are here, and I had very good moments, little bit of time I'm hoping to have with you all too. And if you are sensitive and you are willing and you give them that time, amazing things can happen. Both for you as well as for others. Don't ever end up thinking that you can conquer the world like Alexander, that you can go around and… You need to just be… If that is your calling, yeah, go around and conquer. But if that isn't, you be mindful. It's only that span of influence that you can have. Keep doing, nourishing it well, do it well. And the richest rewards are not necessarily if you conquered the multitudes. Even if you conquered a single person like Rhoda, and you can see the power that she exhibits at this young age, and her chapter hasn't ended, it has just begun. And we are grateful to God, the unseen. He is still active.
I believe that you are a fragrance to so many people. Wherever you are, you spread fragrance. So I'm so proud of you that you are aligned with the name that has been given to you. And I believe that name also is not something we gave, it's something I believe God gave. So that means you are cared for by God.